Woo! Listen, there is nothing more expensive than having bad credit. Time magazine reported that a poor credit score can cost someone over $200,000 over their lifetime in high interest rates alone. And here's the X factor. We're actually heading into a lower interest rate environment. The Federal Reserve has already started cutting Fed rates. And guess what? Mortgage rates are also expected to improve this year in 2026.
All right, folks, check this out. They said it couldn't be done. Not long ago, they said it wasn't possible. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate below 6%. We're at 5.99%. Just to put this in perspective, folks, a year ago, 7.26%. It's obvious markets are reacting very favorably this week to this week's efforts from the White House to make housing affordable.
That makes good credit even more valuable because when the rates do drop, people with strong credit benefit first and the most. For example, look at this. Same house, same price, very different payments. My name is Kelvin McNeil and I'm a mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 2018085. And so not only do I also help people improve their credit scores, but I specialize in helping Americans get approved to purchase or refinance a home. So when I talk about credit, I'm not just talking theory. I see exactly how credit scores translate into real approvals, real denials, unfortunately, and real monthly payments. And one of the biggest misconceptions I see is when people think, my credit score good, you know, my credit score decent, you know what I mean? I'm kind of like in the 650s, you know, mid 600s, so I can get approved. But in lending, there's a big difference between excellent credit and decent credit. They are not treated the same. Once you get close to a 750 credit score, that's when you truly start unlocking the best mortgage rates, the best refinance terms, and yes, the best car lease deals. So as I was preparing for this video, I had a conversation with Ken, one of the Cheers Credit co-founders, and he told me a story about how when he leased the car in 2024, pretty recently, right? He had a credit score of 834. And at that time, the dealer told him that he saved about $8,000 compared to someone who had a 650. So it's a lot of you guys that are watching this video right now who think a 650 is good enough, but I'm telling you it's not. Because again, in this scenario, it was the same car, same price with no down payment, but a much lower monthly payment. So that's what strong credit does for you. It negotiates for you because believe it or not, your credit score walks into that dealership way before you do. Way before you do. Now let's clear something that's really important. While credit repair may fix negative or inaccurate items, credit builders add positive payment history. And take it from me, as a lender, trust me when I say you usually need both. Now let me say this for the people in the back, you cannot delete your way to a perfect credit score. At some point, you gotta rebuild. And this is where Cheers steps in. So Cheers is a credit building tool designed to help you build payment history at a secured installment trade line and do it without a credit check. Your monthly payments are held in a CD, which if you've seen my other videos, that is a certificate of deposit in your name, right? Not an authorized user account. This is your account. And then at the end of the term, you'll get your money back minus interest. But most importantly, your on-time payments will be reported to all three of the credit reporting agencies. And here's where Cheers really differentiates itself. They're able to report much faster than traditional credit builders because I've seen it personally with my own eyes when I'm reviewing my client's credit report, and I'm surprised when it's taken about 60 days on average for all three to report the new trade line. But with Cheers, you don't have to worry about that. And secondly, Cheers is about 25% cheaper than most of your average credit builders on the market. The APR is a fixed 12.15%, while a lot of competing products charge anywhere from 25 to 36% and still hit you with fees. But with Cheers, there's no application fees, no maintenance fees, and no early cancellation penalties. Now here's the part that your typical credit guru won't admit. Affordable credit building still matters, because if the credit builder is draining your pockets, it's kind of counterproductive, right? And defeats the purpose. When I'm reviewing a mortgage file, I'm looking for patterns of on-time payments, no excessive liabilities, and reasonable use of credit. You know, payment history makes up for 35% of your FICO score, and installment accounts help your credit mix. Tools like Cheers, which aren't credit cards, help build a credit profile that lenders will be proud of, especially if you're looking to purchase or refinance within the next 6 to 12 months. And if you are, call me. So quickly, I want to show you guys the flexible plans that they have on their website. It ranges all the way from $24 per month for the starter plan up to $144 per month for the max builder. Now keep in mind, every one of these plans are going to have the same APR, which again, as I stated earlier, is just 12.15%. It really just depends how aggressive you want to be, right? So if you start over here with the $24 per month plan, it'll only cost you about $67.30. So that means after your 25th payment, you would get access to your savings of $532.70 at that same APR. Now, if we choose something more aggressive and we go over to the right, you'll notice that you have that max builder plan for $144, the same term, which is 24 months. At the end, it would have only cost you about $402, but then you would have saved $3,197.82. The most popular, however, is the more, let's just call it in between option, which is the Achiever. That one is just $46 per month for 24 months. You end up saving $1,021.69, and all at that same APR of 12.15%, keeping in mind that there's no hidden penalties or fees, and your money is going to be insured by the FDIC, which is what you want. But as I was saying, in short, Cheers is great for people who are rebuilding their credit, people with thin credit profiles, and my favorite, folks who are preparing for home ownership. And this is not, I repeat, this is not for people trying to remove collections or charge-offs, because that's what Greenscale Credit is for, you know? But it's really not for anyone who isn't going to be realistic with themselves in terms of whether or not they can make on-time payments. If you're not serious about building or rebuilding your credit, this is not for you. As a mortgage advisor, my job is helping people move from I'm working on my credit to clear to close. And services like this definitely help build your profile, but strategy is how you get that qualification. So if you're looking for a credit builder like Cheers, I will drop the link in the description below, and I'll also pin a comment to give it a try, of course, if you're interested. And if you need help with your credit or getting pre-approved for a home or a refinance, that's literally what I do. So feel free to contact me. You will find a link down in the description below to schedule a credit consultation or a mortgage consultation. But remember, guys, this is the time to take advantage of rebuilding your credit and position yourself, because you do not want to be one of the many who are going to miss out on a great opportunity, because trust and believe 2026 is going to be an amazing year for finance. As always, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and share this with like-minded individuals. Like, comment, let me know if you got any questions, because I am very responsive and I love to engage with my viewers. But I'll catch you guys on the next one.